bafethu asikhulumeni indaba yaka Divine Lunga lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns. Niyibonile igame ye Champions League. Divine Lunga cishe wayiqeda Sundowns manje kube sidlwe ngebanga lakho mfethu. Hayi nokunyiwa. Divine Lunga nakangazi ukutrapper, uDivine Lunga nakaluza amabholo, uDivine Lunga was not clinical up front, uDivine Lunga nakangakhuphi kunokukhuphuka. Masokanje senzani? Sikhumbula yini? Masanda wani? Masokanje sikhumbula uMudiba. Umdiba was needed laphana, but siyazi ukuthi ngoba uMdiba nakatholi red card. But ke manje card was hayi bafethu uDivine Lunga sifuna ukumbona kule viki. Let's hope ke ukuthi uMdiba uzobuya back azokhona ukurisk team. Qise yahamba iChampions League ngebanga lakho uDivine Lunga. Mfethu kumele uphakamisa amakawusi. Kumele uphakamisa amakawusi. Kahle kumele ubone uMorel, uAdams, uLeon. If nobangakoranga le goal la wena amasanda wani Champions League ngihamba Divine Lunga ayaye mfethu ayaye kumele aphi game yakho cishe wayenza ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns iluze ukuthi iwine le Champions League le yebanga lakho mfethu kumele kunento kumele uthi uzilungise. You are not clinical, no lose amabholo nengathi frustrated, no understand ukuthi ukuphi. But Carlos need umndawo weekend so ukuthi izinto zibe sharp. But Divine Lunga, you must improve my boy, you must improve. Cishe iMamelodi Sundowns yaphunyuka kangaka. I-experience cishe yabagubha ngebanga lakho wena Divine Lunga. So mfana kumele ulungise into zakho. Masanda wani let's hope ukuthi weekend siyala phela of tasi ngisupporta iSundowns bafethu kabuyelo.
Catch the full convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa.